Hi everyone, welcome back to my vlog. Today, I'll be sharing safety tips on what to do before, during, and after a volcanic eruption. This information can help save lives, so let's get started.
Before a volcanic eruption, preparation is very important. First, know if you live near a volcano and learn the evacuation routes in your area. Prepare an emergency kit with water, food, flashlight, batteries, and a first aid kit. Also, keep masks or cloths to protect yourself from volcanic ash. Most importantly, always stay updated through the news and follow local authorities.
During a volcanic eruption, stay calm and act quickly. If authorities tell you to evacuate, leave immediately. If you're told to stay indoors, close all doors and windows. Wear a mask, long sleeves, and goggles to protect your eyes and lungs from ashes. Avoid rivers and low-lying areas because lahar or mudflow can occur.
These are examples of lahar, mudflow, and rivers.
After the eruption, do not rush outside. Wait for official announcement before returning home. When cleaning ash, wet it first to avoid breathing in it. Check your surroundings for damage and injured people if it's safe. Continue listening to updates and follow safety instructions. And that's it. Being prepared and informed can make a big difference during volcanic eruption.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe and don't forget to like and share this video. Bye.